Historically, December has always been considered one of the most action-packed and profitable months of the year for commodity traders. Once again, this year should be no exception. As we head into December, we are heading into the most lucrative, highly event-driven period of the year with a magnitude of back-to-back money-making opportunities. This includes the final US jobs data report of the year, the final US GDP figures of the year, the final US CPI and PPI inflation reports, as well as the highly anticipated OPEC meeting, all topped off with the biggest market-moving events of all, the European Central Bank, Bank of England and Federal Reserve monetary policy meetings with the world's big three central banks. They are expected to announce their final interest rate decisions of 2024. Now, this cocktail of explosive events, which traders definitely do not want to miss out on, it is going to be a license to print money. This will drive market sentiment throughout the rest of December and into next year. If you've been kicking yourself for missing out on the massive trading events so far this year, but you still want to make 2024 your best ever, you've just been gifted the ultimate opportunity. There's no question that 2024, that will go down in history as one of the most profitable years ever for commodity traders. This is now the fourth consecutive year that has seen a total of 47 commodities, ranging from the metals to the energies to agriculture, notching up a series of back-to-back multi-year and all-time record highs. But make no mistake, this is not a buy and hold market. In these exciting and fast-moving markets, they are creating the most optimized environment for traders, or as some of the world's most powerful Wall Street banks are calling it, it is the golden age of trading. Throughout this year, we have seen commodity markets, they've been notching up explosive double-digit gains. For traders making money in these markets, it has never been so easy. The week-to-week, short-term, macro-driven trend that we're seeing right now, it can literally be summarized as buy low, sell high, rinse and repeat, do it all over again. There's no denying that gold, it is firmly on track to close 2024 having its best yearly performance ever seen. However, there's also another hot commodity to watch, hailed as the hidden gem. As demand for commodities it continues to soar amid global supply shortages, this under-the-radar staple commodity has captured the attention of Wall Street's most powerful institutions as the next major commodity that could be destined for explosive moves higher, and that is coffee. Now, you certainly can't talk about commodities without mentioning coffee. That's because the world's most consumed commodity is whipping up an explosive money-making storm. Last week, coffee prices, they surged to their highest level in 52 years. Not to mention perhaps one of the most bullish catalysts of all, which is President-elect Donald Trump's promise to impose tariffs on all imported goods once he takes office in January. This is further compounded by uncertainty over the impact of upcoming EU laws on deforestation. On Friday, coffee prices, they broke out to $3.30 per pound. That secures their highest closing price since 1972, tallying up a whopping gain of over 79% in the last year. Now, the current boom in prices, it has been driven by global coffee roasters and commercial buyers who process beans for consumption. They are rushing to secure supplies ahead of a new incoming EU law which will ban US deforestation land for crops. The move by the European roasters and commercial buyers rushing in to build their inventories for next year, this has also triggered their US counterparts to come in the market to ensure they don't get priced out. US roasters and commercial buyers, they are responding to President-elect Donald Trump's promise to impose tariffs on all imported goods once he comes into office in January. Now, logically, this makes sense. If you know tariffs, they're coming in 2025, the smart move is to get ahead of that now, because otherwise you'll end up paying higher prices. Now, interestingly, the possibility is now this trend will accelerate across multiple commodities as we go into next year, also impacting metals and energies. Now, generally, Trumponomics over the next 4 years, this will include disruptive policies like the introduction of trade tariffs on US imports, which is ultimately viewed as inflationary, and it may also lead to a second wave of inflation. Based on this scenario, Goldman Sachs, they have named commodities as their top investment pick into 2025 in their recently released market outlook. Now, whichever way you look at it, one thing is clear, the macroeconomic backdrop for commodities into 2024, it is looking more bullish than ever. Extraordinary times, they create extraordinary opportunities. Right now, as traders, we are living in some of the most exciting and rewarding times ever in history. If you've been kicking yourself for missing out on the biggest trading event so far this year, but you still want to make 2024 your best ever, now is the time to take action. With everything that is currently unfolding on the global macro front, 2024, it is now officially on track to be the Gold and Silver Club's biggest and best year in our 15-year history. Our clients have already made in excess of 6, 7, and 8-figure returns so far in 2024. To put that another way, the majority of our clients at the Gold and Silver Club, they've made more money this year than they made in the entire 12 months of last year. What we're seeing right now, it is nothing short of extraordinary. It is times like these, it makes millionaires and billionaires out of regular people. Whatever long-term goal you are looking to achieve through trading, whether that is to create a full-time income, a secondary replacement income, or just to earn a better return on your savings, now is the time to take action. Right now, you have an opportunity to make the final 30 days of 2024 your biggest and best yet, which, based on our research, it is going to be another blockbuster period due to all the current macroeconomic events that are unfolding. Definitely do not underestimate what you can achieve in the next 1 month, 3 months, 6 months from now. Here at the Gold and Silver Club, we're consistently banking over 10,000 points profit per month, which we have transparently documented through our weekly videos. If you're trading at 1 lot, that's $100,000. If you're trading at 10 lots, that's $1 million. As you can see from our testimonials, the majority of our clients at the Gold and Silver Club are utilizing our proprietary research-driven trading approach. They have already made in excess of 6, 7, and 8-figure returns, and we still have another 1 month left to go of the year. All of our clients have been fully briefed, prepared, ready to make the final 4 weeks of the year their biggest and best yet. If you want to finish 2024 on a high and set yourself up for a flying start into 2025, now is the time to take action. Go to jointhegoldandsilverclub.com now to learn how our mentorship program can take your trading to the next level. Time, it is the most valuable commodity that we have. Make sure that you don't waste it. So with that, let's go over to the charts. We will talk you through exactly what we're looking at here as we head into a new week. So firstly, with gold. Now, of course, this played out absolutely perfectly. So the week before, as discussed with you, we saw the biggest breakout on gold in 2 years, the fastest profit since 2022, which with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club, we stacked 12 trades on this market. Over November, we have already banked a windfall amount of profit with gold, banking over 10,000 points profit on this market. Of course, you know that calculation. Every 1 lot contract that you would be trading, that's $100,000. Every 10 lot contract that you would be trading, if you've also stacked into the position like ourselves and our clients at the Gold and Silver Club, that's $1 million of profit in just over a week, with the biggest impulse move and breakout on gold that we've seen in over 2 years, which we telegraphed to you the previous week. It has been absolutely immense. So again, congratulations to everyone who caught this gold trade. It was very straightforward, very clear. A windfall amount of profit has been booked. So what next? Now we turn our attention to the laggards. What are the laggards? The laggards are platinum. The laggards are palladium. We've also seen oil continue to be range bound. Silver has also not had the same benefit that gold has recently. Now, gold was the first position to get on. This is the fastest horse in the race. This is the one that is broken out to all-time record highs 39 times in 2024. So we can tick that. We built into multiple positions on this market. All of those trades are protected. Those trades have booked us a windfall amount of profit. We keep our core positions running here on this market. Then we turn our attention to other markets such as oil, where we have an OPEC meeting over December. Essentially, if we were to see revisits back down towards the swing lows, this would offer big opportunities to add further exposure to this market. Any big volatility that does see a retest of those swing lows is nothing more than a massive opportunity. Palladium, it is similar. If you were to get a revisit back down towards these swing lows throughout the multiple events that we have in December, likewise, they might not spend much time at those levels, but that would also offer a fantastic opportunity. Platinum, we've already added to this trade in the last week. That trade moved very fast into profit. You can see platinum right now, it is back to the weekly highs. But likewise, platinum, palladium, if they were to come back down towards their swing lows throughout the month of December, this would also offer fantastic opportunities to add further exposure to the position. And of course, whatever long-term goal you're looking to achieve through your trading, whether that is to create a full-time income, a second replacement income, or just to earn a better return on your savings, now is the time to take action. If you want to maximize your money-making potential and thrive, not just survive in these fast-moving markets, you need to adapt your strategy to the current market conditions. Most importantly, utilize a professional, research, and artificial intelligence powered approach. One of the biggest obstacles that holds back 99% of retail traders from achieving their desired success, it is not having access to the correct professional strategies, institutional level data, and cutting edge artificial intelligence insights to make confident decisions with accuracy and precision. There's a massive gap between the top 1% of professional traders and the bottom 99% of misguided retail traders who simply rely on outdated technical analysis, gimmicky technical indicators that do not work in these markets. If you want to get yourself out of that bottom 99% into the top 1% who are actually crushing it and making 6, 7, and 8-figure returns in these markets right now, then you need to utilize a professional, artificial intelligence driven approach, or you will just end up wasting lots of time, money, and effort. You will have no results to show for all of your hard work. In these rapidly changing markets, you need to be constantly innovating and evolving. Technical analysis, outdated technical indicators, they won't work. Those days, they're long gone. If that's all you're relying on, the odds are already stacked up massively against you. If you want to change your results, you have to change your thinking. If you want to learn our exclusive, data-driven, and artificial intelligence-powered approach that is never taught to retail traders, only reserved for professional traders in the banks and the hedge funds with access to powerful game-changing insights, including where the banks and the hedge funds, where they're buying and selling in real time, further compound that with the key liquidity zones so you can enter and exit the markets with pinpoint precision. Utilize the fundamentals, macroeconomics, the capital flows, the daily, weekly, and monthly, quarterly, real-time, data-driven cycles, and intermarket correlations. Then you need to join our mentorship program. Right now, we're in the greatest era of wealth creation the world has seen. If you want to successfully capitalize on these huge money-making opportunities, build significant, life-changing wealth, there's no better time than now. If you want to upgrade your income, you have to upgrade your skills. Never underestimate what you can achieve in the next 3, 6, or even 12 months from now with the right guidance and mentorship. Time, it is the most valuable commodity that we have. Make sure that you don't waste it. If you want to join our community of successful traders, take your trading to the next level, there is an opportunity for you to do so. As a member, you get access to our exclusive live trading room webinars. You get access to real-time trade ideas, access to institutional research and market intelligence, access to our private members academy website, and also support and one-to-one mentoring. For more information, just go to jointhelivetradingroom.com. The link is also below the report in the description. So just click on the link, make an application. We will get in touch ASAP.